Today we discuss about the lesson 10 Indian fairs. But before that we discuss about the homework those are given in previous online class. Now see first homework. Now all students you have take one copy and pen. Now write homework those are given in previous online class. Now I am solving the homework of lesson 9 the newly formed Union Territories of India. Answer the following questions. Question number first. How many Union territories are there in India? Answer is there are 9 Union territories in India. Question number 2. In which year did Dadar and Nagar Haveli merge with India? Answer is in 1961. Dadar and Nagar Haveli merged with India. Question number 3. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? Answer is Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. Question number 4. Which erstwhile state of India is now divided into 2 union territories? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir is now divided into 2 union territories. Jammu and answer is again listen. Jammu and Kashmir is now divided into 2 union territories. You have write this homework in copy in proper way. Now question number 5. Which union territory has the largest population? Answer is Delhi. National Capital Territory has the largest population. Delhi has the largest population. Question number 6. Name the 2 newly formed union territories as on November 2019. Answer is Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir are the 2 newly formed union territories as on November 2019. Question number 7. Which union territory is the capital of 2 states, Haryana and Punjab? Answer is Chandigarh is the capital of 2 states, Haryana and Punjab. Question number 8. Which union territory has the smallest population? Question is which union territory has the smallest population? Answer is Lakshadweep has the smallest population. Lakshadweep has the smallest population. Now question number 9. What is the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli? Question is what is the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli? Answer is Silvassa is the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Silvassa is the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Question number 10. In which year was Delhi converted into a union territories? Answer is in 1956 Delhi converted into a union territory. Question number 11. Which union territory has a mixed culture of Indian and Portuguese? Answer is Daman and Diu has a mixed culture of Indian and Portuguese. Question number 12 and last. In which union territory would you find people belonging to the Sentinelese tribe? This tribe is very attacking. Answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You have write this homework in copy in proper way. Today in this chapter, in lesson 10, Indian fairs, we will study about the Kumbh Mela, Pushkar Mela, Chandrabhag Mela, Hola Mohalla, and Sonpur Cattle Fair. Now see one by one. First is Kumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela is a major pilgrimage and festival in Hindus. It is celebrated in a cycle of approximately 12 years at 4 river bank pilgrimage sites: Allahabad, Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nasik, and Ujjain. The festival is marked by the ritual deep in the water, but it is also a celebration of community commerce with numerous fairs, education, religious discourses by sons, mass feeding of monks or the poor, and entertainment spectacles. This festival is traditionally credited to the 18th century Hindu philosopher Adi Shankara as a part of his effort to start major Hindu gathering for theological discussion and debates along with Hindu. The Kumbh Mela have 3 dates around which the significant majority of pilgrims participate. While the festival itself lasts between 1 to 3 months around these dates, each festival attracts millions, with the largest gathering at Prayag Kumbh Mela and the second largest at Haridwar. According to the encyclopedia, near about 60 million Hindus gathered for the Kumbh Mela in 2001. The festival is one of the largest peaceful gatherings in the world. The festival is observed over many days, with the day of Amavasya attracting the largest number on a single day. The Kumbh Mela authorities said that the largest one of the attendance at Kumbh Mela was 30 million on 10th February 2013. Next fair is Pushkar Mela. This is very colorful and popular fair of Rajasthan. This is the world's largest camel fair, with a gathering of about 50,000 camels in one place. It is a camel market where camels are sold, brought, and sold. The Pushkar Fair, Pushkar Mela, also called the Pushkar Camel Fair and locally as Kartik Mela or Pushkar Ka Mela, is an annual multi-day livestock fair and cultural fete held in the town of Pushkar, Rajasthan in India. The fair starts with the Hindu calendar month of Kartik and end of Kartik Purnima, which typically overlap with the late October and early November in the Georgian calendar. In 1998, over 1 million visitors come to Pushkar throughout the year. Pushkar Fair alone attracts over 2 lakh visitors. Next fair is Chandrabhag Mela. This grand fair is held in Khandi, Khandigiri near Bhubaneswar in the state of Odisha. It is held in the month of February every year. During the full moon phase, it is celebrated on the seventh day of the Magh month, where thousands of pilgrims gather to bath in the holy river Chandrabhag. This is the this is one of the important fair of Odisha state. Fair is Hola Mohalla. As you named here, Hola Mohalla. This fair is generally held in Anandpur Sahib, which is a historic town, and the Kiratpur Sahib. The fair is a grand affair attended by thousands of Sikhs. There is a display of martial art in accordance with the commandments of the 10th Guru of the Sikh, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Next and last fair, Sonpur Cattle Fair. This is an ancient fair dating back to Mauryan Empire. It is more than 2000 years old and also the largest cattle fair in Asia, where livestock like goat, buffaloes, donkey and horses and even birds and dogs are traded, but the main attraction of the fair is the elephant market sporting hundreds of elephants. This is the main attraction of Sonpur Cattle Fair, and this fair held in Bihar state, and this is the biggest fair in Asia, cattle fair in Asia. Now all students, you have take copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 10 Indian fairs. Match the following. Column A, column B. In column A, first Kumbh Mela, second Pushkar Mela, third Chandrabhag Mela, fourth Hola Mohalla, and fifth Sonpur Cattle Fair. In column B, A. Bihar, Sonpur, B. Odisha, Khandigiri, C. Uttar Pradesh in bracket Prayagraj, D. Rajasthan, Pushkar, and E. Punjab, Anandpur Sahib. You have write this homework in copy in proper way and try to solve it. Okay, and I remind again all of you, please you have write name, class, section in comment box for attendance. This is a very important for you. All students do it. This activity is very important, means you have write name, class and section in comment box for attendance. Okay, thank you.